The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I want to talk to you about a few videos that are circulating on social media. And the first video that I want to talk to you about is about a video that shows when a man stabbed a man repeatedly. The video had been sent to me on WhatsApp, and when I saw the video, I said, this is really bad. So I did some research to see if I could get some information about the video or the incident shown in the video. However, I did not get any confirmed information about the video or the incident shown in the video. So therefore, I deleted the video from my phone and also my laptop as well. See? Now, sometime after that, one of my loyal supporters of the Dancehall Skilla channel contacted me, Dancehall Skilla, and sent me the same video that I deleted from my phone and my laptop. And the person told me that someone posted that video somewhere on social media with incorrect information. The person said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that someone posted the video somewhere on social media and said that the video shows of an incident that happened somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. The person who sent me the video told me that the incident did not happen within the country of Jamaica. The person told me that the video shows of an incident that happened somewhere within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. So I said to the person, I need proof of the things that you're talking about. The person said, Dancehall skilla, look at the license plate on the white motor vehicle shown in the video. That is not a Jamaica license plate. Viewers and subscribers, when I look at the video, I saw that the license plate on the white motor vehicle shown in the video don't look like a normal Jamaica license plate to me. And to be honest, me feel a way. Well, anyways, I am not Mr. Know-it-all, so I moved on. You see? The person also told me that she lived within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. The person also suggested that I should post the video on my YouTube channel and ask you, my viewers and subscribers, where this incident happened. Viewers and subscribers, even if I show you a small piece of the video, I cannot show you the entire video because the video is really shocking. See? Then the female sent me a video and she told me that she made the video within the spot or the area where the incident happened. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present that video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to tell me if the informations that the female gave me are accurate or if they are not accurate. Tell me if you think they are the truth or if they are not the truth. Alright? Let me know what you think. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
This is right at the spot where the fighting goes on. That is not in Jamaica. They need to get the story straight before the postings. It's right out here. Right here. You see? This is the piece of bridge that you've seen in the video. This is the whole bridge and thing. So, nothing like that. Here.
The female also told me that if I look at the video that shows the incident where the man stabbed the man repeatedly, I can see a date on the video. So that will give me some information as to when the incident happened. The female also told me that the man who had been stabbed repeatedly is alive, and the female also told me that the man who stabbed the man repeatedly had been charged by the police within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. The female also sent me a picture and told me that the picture shows an Antigua and Barbuda news article about the incident. So I did some research and I found an Antigua and Barbuda news article about the incident. See? So in my point of view, the information that the female gave me seems to be accurate. But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what to think about the information that she gave me, alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said some places on social media about this video. It is said that the video is about a female who confronted a female, and the female who had been confronted by the female felt threatened to the point where she grabbed a knife. Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows a confrontation between two females and one of those females grabbed a knife. It is said that the incident happened somewhere within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video will be recorded. And one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video. You can also tell me what you would do if you find yourself in a situation where you're being verbally attacked by someone. Now, I'm going to tell you, my viewers and subscribers, from right now that a lot of harsh languages have been used in this video. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I don't care about none of fucking all, yeah? Well, right, you need to pay a rent. I have nothing to fucking do. All your mother can girl. You're like bucking back and I talking to them, you're trying to come around me? Come and talk to this. Come and talk to I'll beat up your mother con girl. Well, you go ahead. Come and cuff me down, you stupid mother cunt. Nobody not talking about that girl. You stupid or somebody slap down your stupid mother cunt or beat it about to some kind of fucking thing. Oh. Well, go ahead and you're in trouble. I will provoke you until you feel like doing fucking something, girl. I is a provoking little mother cunt. So you better make an entry and them kind of thing. Cause you alone could make calls and do this and do that. Oh God, I get a video. Oh, yes. She have a knife. Oh my God, she have a knife. Somebody gonna attack you. Oh, you stupid mother cunt. Get a knife. I want video, you stupid mama. Let's slap it on too. Come and slap me. Your mother can just witness you, girl. Hey, girl. It's witness you. It's witness you. You're coming when you fucking boot. Tell your mother can, girl. What boss, girl? What boss, girl? What boss, girl? What boss, girl? As I reach, girl, Melville calling to talk. Tell your mother can, girl.
Don't tell me what my mother can. You know my mother can.
I don't care about that, girl. You want to talk and argue to do that? I don't think that way, man, just beat up your mother cunt.
I love my man. How much more? I didn't have to call 94.1 when I got to complain about my man.
You know anything? I'm not to beat up your mother cunt.
Shit.
You know anything about anything? Eh? Hey, you know anything about anything? Don't go in nice. I'll wait, chuck out. Make sure your belly, eh? Make sure your belly, eh? But you're damaging your things, girl. If somebody bang here, you're damaging your things.
I want to buy one. I buy it for shit.
I'll let my mother cunt.
You want to move from here, you get suspended from work.
What happened? Run out. Empty your belly. Your belly. I don't care about that. I live in Narva. Empty your belly. You have a knife. Empty your belly. Run out to the fucking knife. That was trying to show you. You have a knife.
I have two chains and a phone.
You have a knife to chuck me.
Where you holding it for?
I'm touching you and you ain't doing fucking.
Hey!
All your stupid mother cunt. You have no belly. Hey! You want no belly and you're talking up. You have no belly. I know pell on the boot and floor. I know pell you when you ride it. You talking. I know thing your hand when you fucking knife. Move it up. What you do? Eh? Move it up. What you do? What you do? No, she like back and all. As I reach. Yeah, but as I fucking reach. And the girl coming for knife. All your mother can get it. Don't leave me, girl. Come. I ain't fed up.
Alright, now I do not have any confirmed information as to what caused the dispute between those two females. But before even one of those females put a knife in the hand, the other female should have walked away. See me I say? Yeah, just walk away. Avoid anything bad from happening. See, I don't want to see nothing bad happen to nobody, no viewers and subscribers. I don't want to see anything bad happen to anyone, you see? Anyways, I'm not going to say much about that video that I just presented to you, so I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is somewhat shocking. I do not know where or when this video will be recorded. But this video shows several persons on a boat. And the boat was floating on the ocean or the sea somewhere out there in the world. And those persons saw a large fish in the water. And the two of those persons jumped into the large body of water, close to where the large fish was at. Viewers and subscribers, I can't begin to say how that's dangerous. I wouldn't encourage anyone to do something like that. This video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video. See? Let me know what you think about this video. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Shit. Holy. Oh my god. That's the tail. Oh, you got hit by the tail. Dude. Oh my god, that was fucking sick. Oh, did you get slapped?
Jano, viewers and subscribers, that is really dangerous. That is highly dangerous. No one is supposed to do something like that. At no point, at no time. I know I would never do something like that. I would never even encourage anyone to do something like that. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video. Let me know what you think about that video, alright? I got informations that the Jamaican actor who goes by the name of Vollier Johnson had died. He was an actor for decades, viewers and subscribers. Some persons might know him as Muffy because he played the role as Muffy in a Jamaican comedy along with another actor who goes by the name of Oliver Samuels. You see? Viewers and subscribers, it's really sad to know that a great Jamaican actor like Mr. Johnson had passed away. According to information that I got, it is said that he passed away on Friday, the 9th of July, the year 2021. And I really surely will be missed. For real. See? Great actor. Big him up. Alright? Yeah, so I've left it now, people. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, skilla! You are watching Dancehall skilla Entertainment.